Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to update your MetaMask extension. First, open your web browser and navigate to the extensions page. This is usually found in your browser's menu under More Tools or Extensions. Once there, you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Find MetaMask in this list. It's important to keep your extensions current for security and new features. To manually update, first ensure developer mode is enabled on your extensions page. This option is typically a toggle switch in the top right corner. With developer mode active, you'll see an update button appear. Clicking this button will prompt your browser to check for and install updates for all your extensions, including MetaMask. This simple step ensures you have the latest version. While manual updates are an option, most modern browsers handle extension updates automatically. Often, simply restarting your browser will trigger any pending updates for MetaMask and other extensions. It's a good practice to do this regularly. Remember, always keep your MetaMask seed phrase written down and stored in a safe, offline location. This is crucial for account recovery. If you encounter persistent issues after updating, a clean reinstallation might be necessary. Always back up your seed phrase first, then remove and reinstall MetaMask from its official source. This ensures you're getting a legitimate and secure version. Staying updated protects you from vulnerabilities and gives you access to the newest features. For more great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.